We could come through and purchase a $1.5 million property with a 20% deposit if we had that there available in savings. Our repayments here would be around $7,000 per month in this instance, or we could show our clients that we could purchase multiple investments over the next few years and then use the sold property profits in, say, 10 years' time to fund that owner occupied. So here are our acquisitions. Here is our owner occupied purchase. We've sold down all of our investments. We've increased the allowance on that acquisition there to allow for property growth over that 10-year period. And now we have bought that property outright. No loan to speak of. We have sold down our investment portfolio to get into that dream home outright. And we can come through here and we can show the clients there that in our 10-year journey, we come through here and we have sold property profits there of 2,624, and we are spending 265 with purchasing costs on that asset. So the sold property profits from our investment portfolio have funded that dream home owner occupier there in 10 years time. So the difference there in terms of delaying that owner occupied purchase, but now we have come through and we have used the profits from the acquisitions that we have accumulated to actually pay for our owner occupier outright.